Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Madagascar. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you and show you how to do it. Right. And link and coupon will be in the description and open in the description. Open description and click on link via fly.com. Open this page and click on this and write Madagascar and click on this. Open new page. eSim settings: high speed 4G 5G data, no download or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. This is good. And price 1 GB and click on this. Price 2 weeks and 1 day, 3 GB, and select the amount eSim and click on this and click on add to cart or buy it now and click on buy it now. This service number 1 for your SIM and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. This is good and your order discount $2.20 and click on Google Pay or write your mail and write card number, data, security code, name of card and billing address. Select your country and write first name, last name, address, postal code, city and phone. Alright, and click on buy now and open this new page and buy a SIM and send your email QR code and this open QR code, scan QR code and open settings your phone and install eSim your phone and eSim this work. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. Bye bye.